Okay, so me, my mother, and my friend are at Roba Family Farms, and we're about to enter this attraction. Okay, so me, my mother, and my friend are now walking over to our campsite. Okay, now we arrived at our campsite and reserved campfire sites 28. Now I'm gonna sit back, relax, and do some word searches. Okay, so now we're taking a walk, and I want to have pizza for dinner here. Okay, now we walk to Pizza and Dogs, and I want to get pizza here. Now that I got bottled water and pizza, I'm gonna have that for dinner. While I ate half of my pizza, it tasted delicious, so I'm gonna have the rest now. Okay, so now it's time to make some s'mores, and instead of the Hershey's chocolate bar, there's Circle chocolates, as you can see. You can see I got the graham crackers and chocolate ready, so now I'm going to be marshmallows into the fire. Now that I made 2 s'mores with the fire, I'm gonna eat them now. So I got a treat bag, gonna consist of a hand bracelet as well as Rice Krispies Treats, Snickers, Twix, Milky Way, and M&Ms. But despite the food, I'm not really gonna eat all this food at all because I'm gonna try to lose some weight and I'll only care about this. So I'm gonna put this on right now. I got all 8 glow-in-the-dark arm bracelets, and as you can see, they seem to be glowing in the dark a little bit, even though it's still light out. Okay, so now it's time to take a walk at the new attraction here at Roba's Birdhouse Boardwalk. For this year, the new attraction. As you can see, there are 3 green slides here, the big ones. 3 little burgundy slides, and 3 green little slides. Actually, 2 more big slides over there. Okay, so I'm gonna have a little bag of Doritos Nacho Cheese Chips, even though I'm trying to cut back on junk food and eat healthy for the most part. Me and my friend are taking a walk to the hay stack right there. Okay, so now I'm on top of the haystack, as you can see.
Oh, Colin fights back! Yeah! Quick hands!
It's drizzling right now, and me, my mom, and Justin are getting ready to go. While my mother is using the restroom, me and my friend are gonna check out the store now, and it's raining and I hate it.
Guys, come on! Aliyah, te estás mojando.
Excuse me. Now we're in the store where we're gonna get dry, and it's raining outside. So I think I'm gonna end the video here.